Good evening, everyone, and welcome. We are here today at Universals Volcano Bay because we are here for their opening night of Volcano Bay Night, and there is so much to discover at this event. They're going to have some complimentary food, they're going to have a live DJ, some activities. It's just so much to do here, and most importantly, the volcano is beautiful at night, and I cannot wait to show you guys because it's going to be a fun time. So enough talking, let's go ahead, get in there, have a great time, and dive in. All right guys, so I am on the GoPro right now because I don't want to get my phone wet. This can get wet. But when we walked in, they gave us a complimentary freestyle cup, which is pretty nice. Like I said, there's gonna be complimentary food, so we only paid like $80 something for this ticket. So that's not bad. And we were able to come in here at 4 p.m. early. And the event don't start till 7 and enjoy all these rides. So it's definitely worth the ticket if you still have some time to go get some other tickets, because I'm telling you now, we'll have a lot of fun. There's nobody really here, at least for now. And we're gonna be able to get on a lot of rides. I can't wait for later tonight. All right guys, we're about to go on these slides right here. I haven't been on that blue one yet, so we're gonna go hit the blue one. It has a bigger drop, so I'm excited about that. We are off the ride, and what I can tell you, it's cold as right now. It is cold. It's like 70 degrees out here, and the wind is blowing. But the ride was fun. Yeah, I'm with you on that one. I need a drink also. But hopefully at nighttime, we'll just do all the nighttime activities and show you guys around the volcano and what they have lit up around here, because it really is beautiful. So I can't wait to show you guys that. Looks like they are finally kicking it off.
You can even head on over to the Koala Reef restaurant. Maybe get yourself some Hawaiian
Got the DJ over here.
Some coconut shrimp. They even have conch fritters for you. So definitely make sure you get yourself a little something.
Got some of the burgers over there.
And don't forget, we also have all of our DreamWorks friends. They brought a little something over for you.
Looks like they have Shrek and Fiona out right now.
There we go, Fiona.
And we got some beat people. Yes, sir. Oh, man. It's a vibe right now. What a vibe that was. And from what I was told, they're actually going to be having a bunch of characters throughout the entire park. They're gonna have some walking along the sidewalks, they're gonna have some on the beach, they're gonna be everywhere. So we're gonna try to catch all the characters that are out here. Right now, I'm gonna be honest, it's a vibe. It's really a vibe, and it's just getting started. Fire. They also have some complimentary specialty island treats. The spicy island shrimp looks delicious, and I also want to get this cheesy cliffside seashell pasta, all complimentary. Can't wait to try that. All right guys, we are here to get our food. Oh, he came with it. Thank you, my man. We got it. We finally got it. There's a lot of people here for this. See what it tastes like. All right guys, we finally got our food. This is the mac and cheese. Looks all right. It looks like they got it out of a box, I'm gonna be honest. I'm just be honest. And then this shrimp and blue rice. Now this looks good. I'm excited to try this one. Let's try the mac and cheese first, since I have a feeling it's not gonna be where I think it's gonna be. Yeah. Kind of right around where I thought it was gonna be. It's not seasoned. It tastes like what's that mac and cheese, guys, that come out the box?
Kraft.
Yeah, it tastes like Kraft mac and cheese, I'm gonna be honest. It's alright. I'll probably get that like a 5 out of 10. Let's try the shrimp though. I am excited about the shrimp.
I will say though that that mac and cheese was ridiculous though. Since I'm getting it, I'll wait.
Okay. This is really good. The blue rice with the shrimp, I actually like this. It's really good. The rice kind of tastes. I mean, the rice, I don't know. It has like a fruity taste kind of, but it works with the shrimp. The shrimp is seasoned very well. I could definitely taste the Cajun. I could taste some garlic. Really nice shrimp. I'll give it like a 7.5 out of 10. Not too bad. It's a decent dish. It's free, so I'm not gonna complain. We have Kitty Softball right here. The one and only. The one and only. That's awesome. How you doing? That was pretty cool to finally get to take a picture with Kitty Softball. I never got to take a picture with Kitty Softball, so that was really cool. And there's gonna be many other characters that I'll be able to interact with, take some pictures with, and we're gonna do all of them. It's honestly been a great time. Oh, I just dropped my mic. But it's been a great time, guys, and we're enjoying ourselves. We're having a blast. It's honestly a great event, and like I said, I can't wait till it gets dark because this place is beautiful when it's dark. I can't say that enough. So there are characters everywhere. Got Alex over there, King Julian. We also have Guy Diamond right here. Look, I'm a fan of Tiny too. I love Tiny and I love Guy. I love both of y'all. So that was fire. I got to meet Guy Diamond. That's not Tiny. It's not Tiny, unfortunately. But Guy Diamond is also one of my favorites too. My daughter loves Guy Diamond, so good to meet the characters. We had a blast right now, man. And here's our photo right here, actually. So here's our photo. I think it's a pretty fine photo if you ask me. But it's pretty cool, man. Look at that, guys. It's almost nighttime, but I swear, as soon as this gets dark, this volcano is going to look beautiful. Look at the entire park right now, man. Shrek and Fiona's back. Yeah! Got Branch right here. Brozone, man. Nice to meet you, my man. Oh, I got you. You too. Have a good one, guys. I gotta be honest, man. It is freezing cold here. Like, I can't even fathom it at this point. So what we're going to do now, I'm about to do a live stream. Go ahead and check it out. Sorry, it'll probably already be posted by now, but I'm about to go around, show you guys the park next, because it is dark time now and the volcano looks beautiful, and we're gonna have some food, have some drinks, and just have a good time. All right, guys, we just got off the aqua coaster, Krakatoa, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm freezing right now. This is not cool. This might be the coldest I've ever been at a water park. This weather threw a curveball tonight. I am freezing right now. Oh my God. This is not cool. I think we're gonna relax for the rest of the night and just check out the characters. I don't think I'm getting on any more rides. It is freezing right now. Oh. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. Wow. What's up, guys? I didn't really get to finish recording yesterday because after we went on Krakatoa, I started feeling worse and worse and worse. And it actually kind of hit me this morning, and I'm pretty sick. It was cold. It was definitely cold out there last night. I should have looked at the weather. That's a fault of my own. But it was a good time, guys. And just want to give you a conclusion. It was a really good time. It was a good vibe. If it wasn't for the cold weather, I promise you, I would have enjoyed it 10 times more. There were so many characters out there. The food was okay, but I mean, it's complimentary. But the vibe was there. It was really, really fun, and the wait times were super low all around the park. Unfortunately, my live stream didn't post either. My live stream that I did, thank you guys for joining. For some reason, YouTube's not letting me post it. I don't know why. It's been loading since I've ended it yesterday and it hasn't processed. I don't think it will be at this point, but that's why I wanted to make this video, because yeah, after I got on Krakatoa, I wasn't able to record everything that I wanted to. I wasn't feeling too well. I was really cold. I started just getting sick quickly. I don't do well when it comes to cold in water. So I apologize. I apologize, everyone. I really want to give you a whole full experience of the event, because there's so much more to explore around there. I mean, the lazy river was lit up. I didn't even get to go on there because it was so cold out there. I wanted to go on the lazy river, show you guys what it looks like at night. It is beautiful, spectacular, but hopefully you guys took something out of the video and enjoyed some parts of it. I hope. I apologize again, but if you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead, smash that like button for me, share, and turn notifications on, and most importantly, subscribe. And you guys have a great rest of your weekend. See ya.